rocking that gangster filter like a pro.
What? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? To get the ball?
Master of the bombastic side-eye, this dog surely got the look. This puppy thinks of himself as a lion when his owner's around, but without the owner, lions can be a bit quiet, right?
Dịnh nó là anh Khang, dịnh nó là anh Khang. Dịnh nó lát luôn, làm cái coi.
Go.
Excuse you.
Sticking together, even if it's a rough relationship. Oh, how sweet the kissing thief is. Mwah.
Posso prenderlo? Va bene, va bene, va bene, amore mio, prenditi il vestito della mamma. Va bene.
This pup is a pro detector. Don't you dare bring home the betrayal scent. The dog thinks he can speak human, but the only word he knows is bark.
Bedroom, slapped me across the face. I turned to look at him, and I said, "Johnny, you hit me. You just hit me."
Oh, tiny chihuahua, let us give you a hug. This dog invited his buddy to join the fun, but he only makes him want to run. Leading the way like a leader, this puppy's gonna be excellent.
Что это такое?
Red-handed, or rather red-pawed, this pup was caught in the act of foodie mischief.
Медовик был очень вкусным.
Fucking dog. We gonna do chill.
This pup is not sure if the stuffed toy is his clone or a rival.
Remy! That's not for you!
We hope you enjoyed watching our grumpy dogs and their hilarious reactions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more funny videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Дай лапу. Дай лапу. Хань, дай лапу.
Oh, the ball retrieval is a pawsome puzzle for this funny puppy. This dog prefers chaos over order when it comes to house chores, and that's his standard. linguistic genius behind this puppy's vocabulary.
I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
Despite his tiny size, this pup must have a huge appetite.
ليجو ليجو اتاك ليجو اتاك يلا روح.
According to this in-house critic, the interior design is so off.
No, you don't talk to me like that. Stop it. You don't talk to me like that, lady. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Finger food is the best food, especially when it comes from my owner. Mornings aren't this dog's cup of tea, are they? Knock knock, this cute dog is delivered, hoping to shine your days. Sharing means caring, Lucy. There is always a lot of love to give. Not a big fan of booklets, this dog can show you how to destroy books in 101 ways.
Oh, come here, I've got something for you. Come here. Come here. Come here.
This pup's a gentleman. He never accepts impoliteness.
Kiara, what are you doing? It's bath time. Kiara, come here.
Who upset the dog? Let's talk it out. Head petting duty should never stop, according to this pup.
Let's share on the cushion. Oh.
We all know that Frenchies are small, but they have big opinions. This dog might want to say, "Do you mind? I'm trying to sleep here."